Hi you guys, welcome into my space to craft. I am finally home and there were some things waiting for me. I have had a lot of trouble getting back into the swing. I actually got home a few days ago, but I had a friend that we met on the cruise that stayed and visited with us, and so I've been showing them the area, and so I haven't really unpacked all my stuff yet, and I have a retreat coming up next weekend, so I'm going to be getting ready for that. So the plan is today I'm going to do a haul of my Ginger's Corner swaps that came in while I was gone, and my October, I know it's the end of October, but my October Mercy Tiara Kit that I haven't even looked at yet. I haven't even seen any videos or anything, so it's going to be a big surprise for me. So let's see. Oh, this was a happy birthday swap. Look how cute. That's really cute. And of course, we always do birthday party pictures and birthday pictures, so it's not going to be too hard to use all these up, I don't think. Look at that. That's cute. And then this says, happy birthday, black and yellow. This is interesting. Oh, let's see who these are from. This is Jennifer S. This one is Charlene Holman, maybe. And Sherry Tibbeth. And then this one, which is nicely wrapped in a little tiny mini envelope from Michelle Parker. Let's see what this says. Now, some of these might be great even on a card, like this one. Look at that, cute, cute. Oh, and some candles. So those are cute. So those are cute. I may end up using that, so pretty, on a card too. Anyway, so those are the happy birthday. Let's see what this is. Oh, there's a, oh. This is from Ribby Crowley. This was Birds of a Feather, I think. I'm gonna scoot these up so we have room. Maybe Birds of a Feather. Beautiful hummingbirds, some beautiful die cuts. And some little silhouettes. Pretty. Oh, and these, I bet, maybe, no? Just a little cluster of flowers. This would look really pretty on a solid color. And then this little flower cake popped out. Let's see. A little bee. Excuse me. Sing Like No One Is Listening. Oh, these are pretty. Those are neat and colored, stamped and colored. Y'all, I also got a cold while I was on my cruise, so suffered from that a little bit. I've been trying to catch up. Wow, I feel like this is more than 4. Look at that pretty bird. And then this one, that's neat. Bird with wings. So those are cool. Let's see what else is. I think there might be something else in here. Yes. I'm just going to double check that I haven't missed anything anywhere. I can hide in the corners. And this from Christy Higginbotham. Let's see. Oh, it's a branch. So let's do this. A couple of branches. These will be real cute for some outdoors. Let's see what these are. These look like little bird dies to sit on the branches. How cute. And in different colors. birdie, birdie, birdie. Those are real cute. Very cute. So those are my swaps. I'm gonna save the envelopes. I can reuse these swap envelopes when I send to other people. And let's clear these off. Those will go in my binders. I've got a creatures binder. I don't really have a happy birthday area. Maybe I need to make a happy birthday page in my binder. I'll set that there. Now let's take a look. The only thing I've done is I cut the tape and I pulled out my address. So let's take, and as I said, I've seen nothing of this yet. There's a sketch challenge here, which I've missed because it's already the end of the month. So let's see what's in here. I have a feeling there's going to be a bunch of paper I like. This is obviously fall themed. This is called Cuddle Up. So let's take a look. I'm going to write, this says Cuddle Up on here. I'm going to write the date on here so I remember if I still have a pen. Maybe this works. Well, it's gold, but that'll do. October 24. I just want to do that so if I'm trying to go through and use them in order, then I can remember. All right, we'll start with the papers and then we'll come back for all of these embellishments. It looks like some great embellishments, so we'll come back for those. All right, let's see. So this is Mercy Tiara Kit. It's just the base kit. I don't buy extra stuff because I don't need it. It's my, this is from Simple Stories, Cider and Donuts. Beautiful colors and pumpkins. Really nice fall. Ooh, and a beautiful plaid. This is Echo Park, my favorite fall. Cute little woodlands critters and yellow pumpkins and leaves on the back. And look how cute those look together, even though they're even from different companies. Sweater Weather, little barrels of apples, and a beautiful plaid. Again, look at that together. I probably like that better. Those are beautiful. And this is Sweater Weather from Echo Park. So 3 different collections, but everything looks fantastic together. This is Maggie Holmes Forever Fields. Beautiful small scale floral. And it looks beautiful with all of these things. And the backside is a really nice pale blue ledger. I like that. We're going to make this a little smaller. Everybody can see it. This is also Maggie Holmes Forever Fields, The Sweetest. So it's got strawberries on it on a sort of gray-blue background and a pretty graphic leaves. That looks pretty together. I don't mind the berries though. And this is Maggie Holmes. A gorgeous stripe. Forever Fields. Seeking. It's called Seeking. And so look at that stripe with all of these things. That's just beautiful. All right, we're back to some more. Oops. There's another Maggie Holmes. I'll go ahead and pull that out now. This is Maggie Holmes Forever Fields Serene. That's a beautiful floral. Look how pretty it looks with the stripes. all of these. These are the Maggie Holmes, but they all coordinate across. Look, everything is beautifully selected. Now we're back to a Simple Story cider and donuts, mushrooms, really cute, and a plaid. But look how cute that plaid looks with those pumpkins over here. And then this looks great with these woodland creatures. Really cute. Oh, and it looks good with this too, with this floral. That's fun. This says thankful hearts. Oh, I love a diagonal or crosshatch plaid. Very nice. This is also the Simple Stories cider and donuts. Little chipmunks. And a dark brown, beautiful floral. This is cider and donuts cut aparts. Very cute. Grateful, thankful, blessed. Nuts about you. It's fall, y'all. This would make a really cute card, maybe even. Bushels of fun, many thanks. Love it. I'm going to leave it this way instead of on the cut aparts, but I will likely use at least some of the cut aparts. And what's nice is if you choose to use a few cut aparts on something, you still can get a big chunk of the plaid. Look how pretty it looks with just everything. So nice. And then the last piece of paper is Simple Stories, a floral from Cider and Donuts with a brown and polka dot on here. This is very handy for everything. And it looks to me like these are pretty easy to cut apart if you wanted to cut apart these florals. You could cut apart some of these too. So that's really cute. All right, there's our papers. Let's take a look. We got a piece of lace, which is beautiful. And it looks like it's 18 inches. So that can go across for a single page or something like that. Let's look at the big stuff and then we'll go through the little stuff. And that way, if that's your preference, you can do that. This is Bold and Bright Thickers from Vicki Boutin. They're gray. I don't know if I love that for all of these, though it would look good on some of these. But they're really handy thickers. This is Forever Fields, the Maggie Holmes, with the pretty gray for instead of using black. It's a lot of browns and grays, some beautiful florals, silhouettes. I know Maggie Holmes, is it Maggie Holmes? Yeah, she likes to use those. That's pretty. Magic Moment, Forever, Sing, I like that. Dearest. Some florals and leaves and silhouettes, really cute. All right. A custom sequin mix with blues and greens and golds and pearls. Very pretty. Let's see what else. And last but not least, Simple Stories journal bits, which is nice. So I'm going to take a piece of this. Oh, we'll be able to see it okay. I'm just going to get something that's more solid color so that we can see these. Acorns, another acorn wreath. Ooh, a cute book. I guess it goes, which way do books go? This way. A little open book, little banner, little booth, some great little labels. Little house, another label. Give thanks, nice tag. Some more labels. Little tags. Blessed, thankful, grateful. There's that chipmunk. Another one, happy fall. Little mushroom, acorn. These are some cute little tags. I like those. Ooh, and a ledger tag. Those are great. So I think that's everything. So I can't wait to find some fall photos of my daughter, and I think I even took some on vacation, so you'll see me using this hopefully soon. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back while I unpack from my trip. I will do a summary of everything I got done. I'm going to try and get 1 or 2 more done before I do that. And I'm going to start making more page kits and base pages to take on my retreat with me. Thanks a lot, you guys.